In
Yay,
our
Kathleen.
breakout room, she couldn't unmute herself
Hello,
in
Oh,
the
good
breakout.
morning.
So, oh,
Good
you
morning
talk
to
na
each and
lang.
everyone po, ma'am.
hi, Kathleen.
Hi,
Oh,
Ako,
from
nandito ako
Kathleen.
sa,
Zamboanga.
sa labas. Thank you so much. Hi, I am Kathleen M. Andan from Sambuanga, Click Me Learners. I am so happy that I am experiencing a good opportunity in Click Me. So, I am now also, parang Tagalog, mama.
Ah,
Happy talaga ako kasi I have a confidence na dati I have no confidence to talk to each other, to interview or to perform an activity. But right now, when I'm joining Click Me, hindi na po ako shy. So I can talk to the
yeah.
others with a confidence and saying for a good and smiling face. Yun po. And now I have a job in a barangay hall as a
Oh,
utility, but
very good.
I'm encoding. Kasi
Wow.
Oh,
learn
you're
ako sa Click Me na
encoding.
yes po ma'am,
Wow.
marunong na po ako maggamit ng
Ng
laptop,
laptop.
pati computer.
Yes.
So, I
Wow.
encode,
Mm-mm.
I make myself experience a lot to make me improve para kahit
Oh,
papano,
galing, Kathleen.
hindi po nababase sa age. I am 45 years old right now, ma'am, but still
Oh,
working and trying my best to improve myself with the with the Click Me. Thank you po sa lahat.
oh,
Wow.
wonderful. You know, Rose,
Congratulations, Kathleen.
naisip ko, Kathleen, we could invite one session na Kathleen and then si Alvin of Pandi because his job naman is a warehouse
Mm,
staff. So
mm-mm.
just to show that from Click Me, they could actually venture out into to actual work. So how did they apply? How did they apply? How
Yeah.
are they doing? Yeah, that would
Yeah,
be
we
nice.
really thank you for all these sharings, these wonderful sharings, no? Kasi it really warms our heart to know that ClickMe is helping people. In our group, one of the sharers there is from Smoky Mountains, si Annalyn.
Hmm.
And nakakatuwa, she's a barangay tanod, no? Uh,
Oh, okay.
yeah. And so she said, part of her communication challenge, of course, she has to deal with different people in the barangay because, the troublemakers. But
Yeah.
she said that Ligmi has helped her a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.